Okay. G'day Tim, it's Mark Judson from Remtron, Chris Chong from A1 Electric Motors. As we spoke on the phone, we apologise, but we have to adhere to our global partners on their safety on this COVID-19. We apologise for any delays, but we want to do this presentation for you to simplify it for your end customer. So what we want to introduce is the ABB ACS series of drives and ABB induction motors and synchronous reluctance motors. We're focusing on the energy savings, the different technologies, how the motor's actually built, which is Chris's forte, and and away we go.
Yeah, thanks Mark. So thanks for your time again, Tim. As discussed, and you've got in the plan up there in Pineville, ABB technology with the drive. So just quickly, I'll give an overview. The drive itself will do both induction motor and synchronous motor. So one drive only needed for two motors. So if you have a burned out synchronous motor lowering hold, you can put a standard motor in its place as a spare, not having to change the drive. That is a big win. All it is a matter of changing a parameter in the drive from asynchronous or from synchronous to asynchronous and doing an auto restart. Okay, without further ado, we'll come over and we'll start up the induction motor and show you putting the tariff rates into the software, so then you can see for yourself what the savings will be between the synchronous motor and the induction motor. But we'll start off with the induction motor first. So over here we have a live demonstration with an ABB panel view. The data is, the tariff rate we're working on is about 20 cents per kilowatt hour, 22 hours a day, 360 days a year. So this is just a generic number we've put in there, but you'll still see the savings. So now I'll turn on the induction motor at full speed. As you can hear, the induction motor is coming from the drive remotely. As it stands now, the current by the induction motor, under no load conditions obviously, is 7.4 amps. The cost to run this particular motor, as it stands, is $2,440 under no load conditions, but it gives you a good indication of what the induction motor will use over a period of time. Now I'll turn this off and I'll switch over to the synchronous reluctance motor, which is this motor right here. All good there, Mark?
Ready to go.
And as you can see, it's the same tariff rate, same number of hours per day and the same days per year. So nothing's changed there. Now I'll turn on the synchronous reluctance motor. Same speed, same everything. It's ramping up nice and slow. Very much more quieter, these motors, less vibration, less heat, less need for maintenance, more importantly, less energy used as well. As you can see already, the actual current being used under no load conditions, which I'll stress, is 5.2 amps. It's only using 0.73 per kilowatt and it's only costing you $1,160 a year to run. So a significant difference in the scheme of things, bearing in mind no load conditions, so that is obviously amplified by that. So, but you can see the proof is in the pudding, there's substantial saving by using this technology. Okay. How this is done is by the rotor design. The rotor and the way the magnetic field is set up in the motor. It's like a standard induction motor, but the magnetic field is in sync with the field windings at all times, so there's no slip, therefore calling it synchronous. And the rotor design has design fins in there so airflow can get through the rotor and not get trapped inside the motor, therefore keeping it cooler, and therefore no need for a forced cooling kit either. So that's where the technology lies, along with the drive. That's just a basic overview. We just wanted to show you the actual proof is in the pudding of the savings, as we couldn't get up there due to the COVID-19 epidemic at the moment. So thanks for your time and hope to speak to you soon.
Yeah. Thanks, Tim. The aim is, once this all blows over, we'd like to bring the trailer up again. Any questions, just email myself or Chris, or CC us all in. We've got plenty of answers. There's plenty of technology available. Yes, so have a lovely day.